how to check if your Samsung phone is original or refurbished. So if you want to check if your Samsung phone is original or refurbished, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your dialer app and type in hash hash 789 hash and then hit the enter. Or you can also go with the other code, which is hash hash 786 hash star hash and hit the enter, or just go with the dial. If it doesn't work, then you can go with the first code, or if the first code doesn't work, you can go with the second code. Once you enter the code, scroll down until you find the reconditioned status. If it says yes, then the Samsung device is refurbished, or if it says no, then it's an original unit. In this way, you'll be able to know if your Samsung phone is original or refurbished. Or what you can do is simply use the dialer app on your phone and enter the code star hash 06 to access your IMEI number. Once you have your IMEI number, then you just need to simply verify it against the packaging details. Or you can simply copy the IMEI number. Once you copy the number, you can simply go with your browser and then you can check your IMEI number if your Samsung device is original or not. In this way, you'll be able to check if you have an original Samsung phone or refurbished one. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.